Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about Rational Root Theorem. Now, what is Rational Root Theorem? Rational Root Theorem is a method that we can use in order for us to identify or determine the possible zeros of a polynomial function. So let's have an example. So for example, we're going to use the Rational Root Theorem to determine the possible zeros of the polynomial function f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 5x raised to 3 plus 5x squared minus 5x minus 6. Okay, so our first step is for us to identify our p and q. So our p is the constant term, which is, in this case, it's negative 6. Then our q is the coefficient of our leading term. So the coefficient of our leading term is 1. So this will be our q. So 1. Then after identifying the values of p and q, we can now get the factors of our p and q separately. So for our p, okay, so the factors of negative 6 are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, positive negative 6. Okay? For 1, our factors for 1 is positive negative 1. Then let's identify the possible zeros by getting the value of p over q. So the value of p over q, we will just divide the factors of our p and q. So let's start with 1 divided by 1. That will give us positive negative 1. Followed by 2 divided by 1. That will give us positive negative 2. Then 3 divided by 1. That will give us positive negative 3. And 6 divided by 1. That will give us positive negative 6. So to answer the question, what are the possible values of this polynomial function? It will be positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 3, and positive negative 6. Alright, ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.